So I'm making these Snowplows for James. Remember, this was the silver James I made a long time ago, and these are available. But I do not have the model in hand, the red one. I'm very busy. So what I'm doing right now is I'm gonna start with the shipping. And thank you everybody for placing so many orders. I'm checking these models to make sure they run and work. And I also have those passenger cars ready to assemble. I'm about to assemble those passenger cars. Still have some, I think, Yongbao, the Hero, and I think I don't remember the other one, but I have I think it was Duchess, brand new for sale on eBay. So I'm selling everything. This does have light custom yellow Victor, and as you can see, works. You know what? I'm gonna turn off these lights. Ooh, that's good. Looks good actually. So yeah, I'm testing every single item as always. I found a 3-speed, I think it was 3-speed James. I do not have the battery cover for the remote. I found another 3-speed Gordon. I will put those for sale, but I need to 3D print the battery cover for the remote, So if interested, yes, I'm gonna put it accessible, low price. I'm trying to sell everything. This motorized James works. Yeah, I need to do some packing. So I also have to mail this tomorrow. So I need to inspect every single part of this Lionel. Yeah, we have blinking light trying to connect. And the next is this caboose. Okay, what is this? Just a little stain. I'll clean that in a minute. Okay, connectors good. Wheels, everything. And here is you know what, you need to be very careful handling these toys models. Looks good. I think I made a test video the other day, but I still need to check before shipping. So it's connected, powered it up. It comes with the power pack. You know what, you can it's just short track, but it's working. It's working. So okay, it is not easy to keep track, but anyways, so we have this person who ordered for Emily, 2 for Thomas. I'm double checking for Gordon, Snowplows, Henry, Doc, James, Percy. Now I'm adding an extra. Thank you for your order, whoever it was placed the order. This is for Percy, Trackmaster 2. Trackmaster 1. Either way, I think it's Hitoy Company and Mattel. But anyways, this is a gift extra, so check, it might fit to Percy. So remember I say I found the 3-speed James. Also thank you the person who bought this light up custom light up Henry. So I'm gonna prepare this for shipping. and I in the middle of testing. Remember, this requires 3 batteries. Now I noticed that I couldn't find the battery cover for the tender, so I guess it's going to be really difficult for me to find the battery cover, since it's a big garage with a lot of boxes. You know, my kids play it with. Okay, there you go. Slow, slow, slow. I also need to change that coupling. It's working. That's the third speed. Oh, come on. Well, it is not in the track, so that's the reason. Spins on this small, soft, smooth surface. And as you can see, okay, second speed working. First speed. Where's the direction? Oh, right here. You know, you need to point. You need to point the infrared light to the engine, so it, you know, you can control it. I had it this way, it was blocking the control. You need to redirect it that way. I mean, this LED light, infrared light. But it's working, so I don't know how soon I will be able to what is this, 3D print this and design the battery covers. But I think this probably is not going to take me long, but I'll see if I can 3D print one for this. As also Gordon has the same problem and it's missing the battery cover. Also this other battery cover for the remote control. So anyway, since I'm about to ship this model, also I need to do another test just to double check, make sure it's working. And I have you know, it's I'm being very busy as always. I barely have time. There's the little light working good. So well, that's what I'm about. I mean, that's all for now. And like I say, I'm not fixing right now. I'm very busy. I'm trying to, you know, I have a lot. I need to assemble those. And anyways, let's continue tomorrow.